Welcome to episode 4 of My Voice series. Today's episode is not just a book review, it's something personal. This is the book I came across when I felt lost, unsure of where I was heading, searching for calm amidst chaos. Ichigo Ichi didn't just speak to me, it stayed with me. And I felt it deserved a place in this series as a moment worth sharing. We must never be ashamed of our cracks in life. Wabicha, a style of tea ceremony founded by Sen no Rikyu, helps us understand the true meaning behind this book called Ichigo Ichi. It is my second book after Ikigai by the same authors, Hector Garcia and Francesc Miralles. The book reflects the concept of togetherness through communication among members of our community. Ichigo Ichi simply means once in a lifetime opportunity. It's not just a word, it reflects a celebratory event, a tea ceremony. It's no casual deal, you see. It's a well-planned and well-prepared ceremony. It has a history behind it, threaded together by Sen no Rikyu, the originator of Wabicha. This book is conventional and generational, and the values have paved the way through time and space. If you are looking for a spiritual change within you, then Ichigo Ichi teaches you well. If daily stresses and confusions in your life question you, and you mean to find a meaning of your existence, then it may serve you right. Imagine your life as a whole. In that whole, there are several parts. Those parts are your moments, your situations, or your destiny. The things you do every day, every moment, the people you plan to meet or just unexpectedly meet, take away that specific part of your life with them from the very whole. And it completely depends on us, on how we are dealing with those unique chances. So, talking about what I liked in this book, it answers all my questions. There were facts that I knew, but this concept of Ichigo Ichi validated all of them. It is philosophical yet full of shreds of evidence to prove your blockers wrong. Blockers that stop you from taking risky decisions or anything that you might plan to do but avoid it the very next second. If you mean to connect with people or have a hard time doing that or take your close ones for granted, then this book is definitely for you. It will teach you the true meaning of your own life and tell you how exactly we must take control of it. You know, the whole purpose behind the tea ceremony is to aggregate people together via the medium of tea, simultaneously helping in the exchange of ideas and opinions. Thus, it creates a bubble and narrows down your focus to that specific person or to that particular moment. We are all living in a world where everything is growing at speed. People have less time to spend. We are more engaged in technology than in people. We are busy making communications online rather than making connections face to face. We are leaking in our social angle. This book, on the other hand, teaches you to unravel yourself through the concepts engraved in it. Ichigo Ichi engages you till the end as more and more of your questions get answered. And if you are someone who wants a change in their life, then let Ichigo Ichi bring that change for you. This piece is my own creation, a reflection I first published on my Medium website. Thank you for listening. Let's meet again in the next moment worth living fully.